all physics tutorial class. My name is Waktola. In this video, we'll be discussing on 2016 Ethiopian grade 12 entrance exam solution part 4. This question is selected from physics grade 12 chapter 2 under the rotational motion. Question 1 says that which one of the following factors does not affect the moment of inertia of the object? Choice A. The axis about which the object is rotating. Choice B. The size of the object. Choice C. Angular speed of the object. Choice D. Mass of the object. Before we go to the solutions of this one, we have to remind the equations of what moment of inertia is given. Moment of inertia is given by capital I, which is equals to m times r squared. Now, from this equation, we can relate the given options. The first one, choice A, says that the axis about which the object is rotating, which is directly related with what? Which is what? R. And the second one, B, says that the size of the object means the size of this object, whether it is what? Mass of the object, directly related to the mass of the object. When you come to choice C, the angular speed of the object, from this one, no information related with what the angular speed of the object, and the mass of the object is directly from the given this one. Directly, when we come to the equations, the factors does not affect the moment of inertia is what? Angular speed of the object. When we come to the second equation, about an axis of rotation perpendicular to plane of the couple force, the force in the couple produces choice A, no torque, choice B, non-zero resultant forces, choice C, torque is in opposite direction, choice D is say that torque in the same direction. When we come to the equations of this one, we have to know what is the given and how we can answer the questions. First, what is a torque? Torque is what? 2 equal, from the given this one, 2 equal in opposite force create a rotational effect about the axis resulting in torque. So from this one, that the axis, this is what? That axis in opposite direction. When we come to the given question says that about an axis of rotation perpendicular to plane of the couple force in the couple, no torque, choice A, no torque, choice B, non-zero resultant forces, choice C, torque in opposite direction, choice D says that torque is in the same direction. From the given this one, choice C is from this one, equal in opposite forces creates rotational effects. The next one, when you come to the next one, the angular speed of disk is rotating about this axis increased by 2000 radar per second in time intervals of 3 seconds. If the moment of inertia of the disk is equal to 0.6 kilogram meter square, what is the average torque on the disk? Choice A says that 600 Newton meter, choice B 400 Newton meter, choice C 617 Newton meter, choice D 1200 Newton meter. From the given this one, when you come to solving this equation, first we have to know our given. What is our given? First we have to understand, then we go to the question. From this one, increases the initially from this one, the given is what time is equals to, once with me, time is equals to from this one 3 second, and the other is what moment of inertia is equals to 0.6 kilogram meter square, and the other we know that is what angular momentum is what 2000 rada per second. And solution requirement is what? Our requirement is what? Torque is equals to question mark. Solution is given by torque is equal to moment of inertia from the given this one, moment of inertia times what? Alpha. So when we come to solving this question, first we have to know the given this equation means alpha. First we have to solve here. From our previous knowledge, you know that alpha is equals to angular acceleration is equals to delta omega over what? Delta t. From this, when we set the given value above, delta omega is what? 2000 rada per second, and time is 3 second. So alpha is approximately from this one 666.67 rada per second square. Now, when we start given this one into the equation above, here from this one, torque is equals to moment of inertia times alpha. From this one, moment of inertia is given, which is equals to 0.6 kilogram meter square times given this one is what 666.67 approximately rada per second square. The product of this one is approximately 400 Newton meter. So this is what our solution. Let me compare the given solution with the given probability. The first one is 600, the second one is what 400. So the answer this one is what B.